Hi buddy, this is Mubashar Mughal. Inspiration speaker Michael Jordan said, I have missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I have lost almost 300 games. 26 times I have been trusted to take a winning shot and missed. I have failed over and over again, and that is why I succeed. Now what is failure? Failure is nothing. Failure is nothing but it is a comeback story of our success. Failure is nothing but it is a motivation. Failure is actually a fuel. We have learned a lot from the failure. The first greatest lesson we have got from the failure is experience. The second is knowledge. And the third is resilience. The more time we fail, the more resilient we become. Fourth lesson which we learn from the failure is growth. And fifth lesson we have learned from the failure is value. If we are failing, it means that we are alive. It is the great sign that we are alive. Failure is the greatest teacher of our life. Failure is the greatest lesson which we learn from our life. It is the failure who makes stronger. It is the failure who tell us that how beautiful our success is, how beautiful our destiny is. There is a lot of people in this world who got failure at their first attempt and they quit. And there are a lot of people who never quit, who don't allow failure to let them down. They learn from the failure. They accept the failure. They welcome the failure. We do not need to worry about the failure. We do not need to afraid of failure. We have to accept the failure. Next time you encounter the failure, you got to remember every greatest thing in this world is here. Creator learn what did work, but more what did not work. When we are kids, we don't stop. When we first learn to ride a bike, we got failure after failure. We get knocked down, but we don't stop until we achieve our goal to ride a bike. That is how we can learn from failure. It is the failure who tell us that we are alive. It is the failure who make us stronger. Taking risk and falling down is the part of life. It is the part of life that we are getting failed. It is the part of life that we are knocked down. When baby first learning to walk, he is going to falling again and again. This is failure. But ask any mother about their baby's ability to walk. She will confidently reply that baby will walk one day. Might fall down a lot of time, but will surely walk. Now why is she so confident? We all know the answer. We know that it is the part of life to falling down and to learn more. It is the part of life. Don't let failure stop you. Let it grow you. Failure is not the end. It's just a start. The start of your comeback story. Never quit. Keep pushing. You will get there in the end. The most successful people in life failed most. If you are trying to go through life without failing at anything, it means that you are not living your life. Failure is a more opportunity to learn from life and to get more things in your life. So don't stop at failure. Winners don't enjoy failure, but they would never let failure stop them. Learn why you fail and make sure you don't fail again. Make sure you are stronger, because failure is nothing but it is a lesson to the winners. It is the motivation to the winners. It is a fuel to the winners. So don't let failure stop you. I hope you will learn a lot from this session. Thank you so much. Allah.